Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can color correct using your lipsticks which you usually don't use on a daily basis. So if you want to know how I did it, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so first we are gonna start with a red color lipstick and a brown color lipstick. So both the lipsticks they are not very matte, but they are like little glossy. So the first one is from Sephora. This is the red lipstick known as The Red. Even the name is The Red. So this is the red lipstick, and the other one is from Color Bar, and it is in the shade Bare All. So it is like maroonish brown shade. So I'm going to use these two lipsticks. So now I'll clear one thing, like we have so many color correction options, but we actually don't know what color correction colors would suit our skin. So if you are like dusky or wheatish, so the maximum color or the color corrections you would need is orange and dark brown and red. But again, if you're fair, the colors you will need for correction is purple, yellow, pink, green. There are like so many shades. So I think the easiest way to understand is to use your lipstick. So if you have like really dark scars like I have, you can use the red one or the brown one, depending on what kind of pigmentation you have. It's like if it's very dark, you can go for brown, but it's like very light or like medium, then you can go for red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix two colors first. I'll see what color it looks like, and then I'll switch to using single shades. So first I'm gonna take a swatch of this color, the Color Bar one, and it's like a little glossy, so I've took this one, and just right next to it I'm gonna take the red one. So this is how it looks. And then again I'm gonna take my Color Bar foundation stick, and this is a foundation stick. It's in the shade Natural. So this is how it looks, and here I'm gonna just take a swatch of it. So if I feel like the color is like too dark, it's here. If I feel like the color is too dark, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit with the foundation shade. So for that I'm gonna take my brush. This is like a concealer brush. It's like flat brush completely. So I'm gonna take some amount of red and this color, and I'm going to mix it. So since I mixed 1, 2 and 3, it became pink. It's not even pink, it's close to pink. So I think I have got like the desired color for my skin because I'm wheatish. Like my skin tone is dusky, but when it comes to my face, I have like two-tone skin. So I prefer using shades which suits wheatish skin tone, because that is much more easier for me to apply. I don't need a lot of concealer and stuff. So I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to start applying it on the problematic area that I have on my face. So since I have the mixture here, I'm directly, so first I applied my moisturizer. I moisturized my skin, I applied lip balm, and now I'm directly going on with this. So I'm just gonna apply it on the areas I wanna conceal. Okay, so now it's time for the concealer to be applied. So before you go for your actual concealer or the one which you use on daily basis, before that take any other concealer or concealer stick, as I'm taking this foundation stick, and I am going to apply it on the color corrector, I mean the lipstick that we applied. So very lightly I'm just going to like dab it on it, so that later on it will be easy for me to blend. Now the only thing you have to do is that you need to take a beauty blender and start blending it. Make sure your beauty blender is little damp so that it will be easy for you to blend in, and always remember while doing your makeup or applying concealer or foundation that blending is important part of the makeup, so make sure that you're blending it really nicely. So the first layer of the foundation stick that I applied, I blended it and the pink shade, as you can see, has faded. So now I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal HD concealer. Oops, sorry. My LA Pro Conceal HD concealer, and now I'm going to apply this one, and this one's in the shade medium beige. Again, as I said, I use products which mostly suits wheatish skin tone. So this one's one of that, and now I'm going to apply it, and this is like full coverage and it's super lightweight, so it's a good thing. So now I've applied the concealer and I'm going to blend it for one last time and then set it with the powder, because this concealer I know is full coverage and it's gonna do its work really nice. And now I actually look like a cat, so it's okay. Let's start blending it. So guys, this is how it looks when you apply just concealer. I haven't even applied foundation because I usually don't apply foundations on a daily basis, or maybe like until unless there is no big event, function or wedding, I don't apply foundation, and trust me on this. So I just applied the concealer and I think concealer did like really good work. As I said, this concealer is like full coverage and it's super lightweight. It really looks natural, just like I just have one layer of concealer on my face. So now I'm going to quickly set my face with the powder and then I'm going to do the rest of the makeup. So now I'm going to apply my translucent powder. So before that, I'm just going to dab under my eye. Whatever the product is creasing, I'll just blend it out nicely on both the sides. And then I'm going to bake under my eye. So I am just going to like leave it on for like 5 to 6 seconds maximum, and I'm going to dust it off and I'll show you the final result in a bit. So as you can see that it's like literally it feels like you had no scars or acne on your face, and it looks so super good. So I'll see you with the full result. So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So as you can see, nothing like nobody would ever know you had any acne scar or pigmentation on your skin. It looks so clear and so natural. I just added a little bit of blush, like a nude lipstick. I put like a mascara, did my brows, those cute little earrings, and done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
The years, they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can